Deputy Prime Minister, the Honorable I. Chester Cooper, joined in on the celebratory premiere of See How the Mainsail Sets, a documentary on the history of the National Family Island Regatta, sailing, and boat building throughout the Islands of the Bahamas.
The documentary we're about to view momentarily has been a project in which I have been personally involved, and I am delighted to be able to witness it this evening. Growing up in Exuma next to Christmas, Regatta was the biggest, most exciting event of the year. We counted down to April when thousands would descend on our small community to witness the fair sailing competition in Elizabeth Harbor and enjoy the biggest onshore party of the year. As an adult, I came to comprehend that the National Family Island Regatta, and regattas generally, was much more than fun and festivity. Established in 1954, it was Exuma's contribution to the cultural and sporting legacy of our nation. It was Exuma's answer to the existential question, what does it mean to be Bahamian? This documentary, about to be unveiled, See How the Mainsail Sets, will ensure that our citizens of the 21st century understand and have an appreciation for how this country's iconic sailing event began and how it evolved to become what it is today, and how it will continue to evolve as a national sport as we celebrate in our 50th anniversary of independence.
The official release date for See How the Mainsail Sets is after April 18th, 2023. For more tourism updates, visit Bahamas.com. I'm Joshua Robbins, and this is Tourism Today.